Lecture 9 in Medina, 10th year of the Hijrat. In this, we are going to learn the year of deputation, farewell pilgrimage, and the main points of the last sermon of the Holy Prophet. Year of deputation. In this year, all the tribes of the Arabs came in large number to declare their faith towards the Holy Prophet. This year, also termed as the Amul Wafd. In the same year, Holy Prophet performed his last farewell Hajj or the Hajjatul Wida. Holy Prophet decided to perform pilgrimage to Mecca in this year. Messengers were sent throughout the Arabian Peninsula to inform believers of the Holy Prophet's intention. Near around 1,14,000 followers joined Holy Prophet and they left from the Medina on 25th Zikat, 10th Hijri. Also, he was accompanied with his wives. On the fourth day of the following month, they reached the Mecca. It means after Zikat, the month of the Zil Hajjah. What is the significance of this last Hajj? First of all, we have to note that Holy Prophet only performed one Hajj in his whole life. Therefore, it was the first and the final Hajj of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. It has been awarded with the four names. A. The farewell pilgrimage means Hajjatul Wida. B. Pilgrimage of Islam, Hajjatul Islam. It means the finalization of the Islamic faith. C. Pilgrimage of proclamation or announcement, because Holy Prophet preached all what Allah had revealed to him and he conveyed it to mankind. And also he received the final revelation of the Holy Quran at this moment. D. Greatest pilgrimage, it means Hajj Akbar. It was enjoyed by all the Muslims because they were blessed with the company of the Holy Prophet, and Arafat's sermon was delivered by Holy Prophet himself. Each word of the address was an eye-opener and also served as a light for various significant aspects of the life. It was the completion of Islam. He also declared the completion of his noble mission on the earth. Now, here we are learning the major points of this sermon. It was actually termed as the Universal Charter of the Human Rights because before that, such number were not gathered around in the Arabian Peninsula. In this, Holy Prophet declared the prohibition of dealing with the interest, that is the usury. Numerous accounts in the Quran and Hadith prohibit taking, giving, or being a part of such transactions that deals with the interest, that is an additional amount you charge on someone's loan. Holy Prophet said, "You will neither inflict nor suffer any iniquity." It means that you are not going to have any kind of a danger in your life if you are not being a part of the interest. These words are self-explanatory as well. Holy Prophet gave the awareness about the shaitan and how this shaitan can work to deviate us from the right path and doing the evil things. Rights of the woman over man and rights of man over woman were also discussed. Treatment of women and children with the kindness were discussed in the sermon. Holy Prophet also described that modesty and chastity in the woman is an essential matter. The importance of worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or the sovereignty that belongs to Allah was particularly described. He said that you must say your 5 daily prayers, fasting during the month of Ramadan, gives charity, zakat, that is obligatory once in a year, and perform pilgrimage, which is once in a lifetime, is compulsory. He also declared equality amongst all the blacks, white, Arabs, and non-Arabs. It means human being wherever he is living, if he is a Muslim or a non-Muslim, he is equal. He has the equal rights. The need to just establish justice, and he also revealed that Islam is the final divine religion, and so Holy Prophet is the last messenger, and Quran is the last perfect guided book for all the humanity. Now, we are moving into the last year of the Holy Prophet's migration, and this is the year when this beloved soul departed towards his Lord. In this year, we are going to learn about his illness and death. On 28th Safar 11th Hijri, Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, became ill. His condition did not allow him to join the obligatory prayers in the mosque, so he deputed the task to the Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. On Monday, when people were saying their prayers, Holy Prophet lifted the curtains from the compartment of the Hazrat Aisha and looked his companions with a smile. At seeing this, Hazrat Abu Bakr wanted to join the Holy Prophet, but he pointed him with his fingers to finish the prayers first. As his compartment was leading into the mosque of the Nabawi. After an illness of the 13 days, in the same afternoon, he breathed last. Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Umar lead the final prayers of the Holy Prophet, and these both caliphs of Islam decided where him to bury. Hazrat Aisha's compartment chosen for his last resting place.